How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over and look at exactly what to expect for Tesla stock for this upcoming week. We're going to be talking about some positive news that came out for Tesla, and we're also going to go over why Cathie Wood is continuously selling Tesla stock. So we're going to be talking about it in detail in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we have Tesla stock sitting at $1,049.61. This is the price point that it closed on Friday. As you can see over here, the beginning of the week was pretty good. We were sitting above $1,100 and we aggressively sold off on Thursday and recovered a little bit on Friday. So this is mainly because the Nasdaq decided to sell off aggressively. It took all the big tech companies like Apple, Microsoft to the downside, and Tesla was also one of them. And the Nasdaq took a beating last week, but we saw a slight recovery. But moving forward, we're going to be talking about exactly what to expect for Tesla stock later on at the end of the video. But when you look at Tesla stock compared to the overall stock market, on Friday we had a slight recovery on the big tech stocks that got beaten down on Thursday. So Tesla being one of them, it recovered, and Microsoft also recovered. We have the semiconductor stocks like Nvidia recovered pretty good too. Apple, Google recovered a little bit, but we still have more room to recover for them. So we had a pretty nasty sell-off on Thursday. So we had some important news that came out for Tesla stock on Friday, mainly being that Tesla being upgraded to a strong buy by Zacks Equity Research. We've been getting a lot of these analysts coming out, a lot of these researching companies coming out left and right, upgrading Tesla stock price, Tesla price target for 2022, 2023. They're seeing a big potential. As you can see over here, Tesla being upgraded to a strong buy by Zacks Equity Research. They upgraded Tesla to strong buy because they see a massive increase in Tesla's earnings. So we talked about in the past when Tesla announced the delivery numbers that blew expectations. We expected that, okay, the earnings going to be increasing pretty soon. We have this massive increase in production that's going to be happening in 2022 with this 2 extra gigafactories coming into play. Tesla also crushing delivery numbers for the Chinese market for the month of December. We're seeing a lot of positive news come out for Tesla that suggests that the earnings are also going to be expanding exponentially within the next few years. So that's why we're seeing a strong upgrade for Tesla stock right now as a strong buy at this current point in time. So of course, a lot of analysts, a lot of big banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, they came out and upgraded their price targets for Tesla, and they expect the delivery numbers also to increase in 2022. So we're going to be hearing the earnings call coming up for Tesla. So as you can see over here, the recent press release from Tesla, January 12th, states that Tesla announced the date for the fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial results and webcast is scheduled for Wednesday, January 26, 2022 after the market close. And we also know that Elon Musk is going to be attending, and he's going to be providing more information about the Cybertruck. He's going to be responding to questions by different analysts from different banks and etc. So that's going to be phenomenal to hear. So we're definitely looking forward to what Elon Musk had to say about Tesla in general. So definitely keep it in your calendar. Of course, we're going to be talking about it in detail before this date approaches. So now let's talk about Cathie Wood and why she has been selling Tesla stock. So we know Cathie Wood has been selling Tesla stock here and there in the past, but right now, as you can see over here, Tesla loses the #1 spot in one of her ETFs, which is the ARKW ETF. And as you can see, this article that came out recently from Seeking Alpha a few hours ago states that ARK Invest is continuously selling Tesla shares, and the total holding right now is more than 70% off its peak. So that's really quite interesting read. Some of the main reasons why they're stating that ARK Invest is selling Tesla stock is they're trying to use the money that they got from selling Tesla to invest in other companies. However, right now Tesla is really getting a lot of attention from Wall Street. They've been getting a lot of, price upgrades, analysts coming out left and right, increasing price targets. We have massive catalysts coming out for Tesla in 2022. So it's kind of questionable why Cathie Wood is actually selling Tesla stock, and they're trying to say that maybe they are slightly losing confidence in Tesla. So that is just exactly what this article is trying to say. But I kind of disagree because, Cathie Wood is still super bullish on Tesla stock. If they have any kind of changes with their price targets or any kind of beliefs that they have with Tesla, they will come out and say it. They still have the $3,000 price target that they set for Tesla stock within the next 5 years. And there's still, Cathie Wood, every time that she does an interview, when she gets asked, Tesla is one of those companies that she's super bullish on and is doing very, very well compared to other stocks that actually got crushed, that she holds, So I believe that right now she is definitely, selling Tesla stock, getting the money and investing in other companies. But I don't think that she is losing hope or ARK Invest losing any kind of confidence with Tesla. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about, Cathie Wood selling Tesla stock? And do you believe that she lost confidence in Tesla or anything like that? Let me know in the comment section below. And now let's talk about what to expect for Tesla stock in the short term. We're going to be looking at a technical analysis. So before we talk about a detailed breakdown, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell. We talk about Tesla stock every single day. And of course, if you want free stocks too, check out the links in the description box below. So as you can see over here, we have Tesla stock that is sitting at $1,049. We had a pretty nasty day on Thursday. We sold off. The overall NASDAQ was selling aggressively. And not only this sell-off happened to Tesla, it happened to Microsoft, Apple, Google, like all the big tech companies really got crushed on Thursday. So this massive sell-off that happened on Thursday was mainly driven by the algorithms just selling aggressively to the downside. We've been hearing reports of, the market being super sensitive with the rate hikes that's coming up pretty soon in 2022. There's no surprise the rate hikes are coming, but we're still in a matter of digesting this news every single day, every single week. So we just have to take it one point at a time. And these kind of sell-off definitely can be driven by the algorithms, and we saw this massive selling across the board with the NASDAQ. So moving forward for Tesla stock, though, we have some important news that is coming out for Tesla at any point in time. We have the Gigafactories that could potentially be opening in a matter of weeks. They can happen this week, it can happen next week, we can happen before the earnings call coming in January 26th. And usually Tesla stock tends to rally as we get closer and closer to the earnings call coming up. So expect Tesla stock to go higher. I believe Tesla stock can go higher above $1,100 before the earnings announcement. So definitely keep an eye on that price level. It's been acting as a resistance price point, but I think we can definitely break this price point ahead of earnings if the overall market is really not that shaky, especially the NASDAQ. Those big tech companies have been getting a lot of beating. But of course, if everything settles down, earnings seasons is coming up, if these companies, the other companies, blow out their earnings, then this is going to be a phenomenal time for Tesla to break out of this $1,100 area and potentially hit this all-time high. So we're getting super close. We're only $200 away from all-time highs. So we can expect Tesla to hit all-time highs, as we talked about in the past, in 2022. But we're still in a very shaky situation right now with the overall stock market. So definitely keep an eye. But the short-term price prediction for Tesla is it could potentially go above this $1,100 within the next few days to come. If the overall stock market is not really that shaky, Tesla tends to run up before the earnings call. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comment section below what you're expecting for Tesla. What do you think about Cathie Wood selling Tesla shares? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. Of course, as I mentioned, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on notification bell, and if you want free stocks too, check out the links in the description box below. But I catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.